Good morning. Today is a big day. It's my first day at a new job. I wake up at 6 a.m., even though I don't have to be at the office until 8:30. I want to feel calm, not rushed. I turn off my alarm. I sit up. I take a deep breath in and out. My heart is beating a little fast. That's okay. It means I care. I say to myself, "You are ready, Sarah. You prepared. You can do this." I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. I feel the water on my skin. Cool, refreshing. I brush my teeth. Mint toothpaste. 2 minutes. I look in the mirror. I say, "You look professional. You look kind. You belong here." Now I choose my clothes. I pick a pink blouse, white pants, and comfortable white shoes. I want to look clean, neat, and confident. I dress slowly. I check. Hair done, makeup light, outfit perfect. I pack my bag. Laptop, notebook, pen, water bottle, lunch. I double check. Keys, yes. Phone, yes. ID badge, yes. I make coffee. I sit at the table. I eat toast with butter and jam. I drink my coffee slowly. I don't look at my phone. I just breathe. I think I don't have to be perfect. I just have to be myself. I feel nervous, but also excited. This is a new chapter, and I'm ready. Like this video if you've ever been nervous on your first day. You're not alone. Every expert was once a beginner.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. My name is Sarah. I'm starting today in the marketing department.
Welcome, Sarah. Let me check. Yes, here you are.
Do I go to the 3rd floor?
Yes. Take the elevator to the 3rd floor. Turn left. The marketing team is near the windows.
Is there a badge for me?
Yes. Here's your temporary badge. Please wear it all day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great first day.
I will. Excuse me, is there a place to leave my bag?
Yes, there's a locker room down the hall. Use code 1234.
Oh, good. I didn't want to carry it all day.
No problem. And if you need anything, just ask.
I will. Thank you again.
You're very welcome.
Comment below. What's your biggest fear on the first day? I'll forget names. I'll get lost. Tell us in English.
Sarah, welcome. I'm Ella, your supervisor.
Hello, Ella. It's nice to meet you.
You too. Let's go over your role. You'll be helping with social media posts, email campaigns, and monthly reports.
What time should I start each day?
8:30 a.m. We have a team meeting every Monday at 9.
Should I bring a notebook?
Yes, or you can use your laptop.
What if I have a question during the day?
You can send me a message or knock on my door.
Is there training this week?
Yes, HR will give you a tour and show you the system.
What if I don't understand something?
That's normal. Just say, "Can you explain that again, please?"
Can you explain that again, please?
Yes, we're here to help.
Is there a dress code?
Business casual, no jeans on Mondays.
Got it. Can I bring my own coffee?
Of course. Or use the kitchen.
Thank you. I'm excited to learn.
We're happy to have you. Save this video for your next job. You'll be ready to ask the right questions in English. Let me show you around. This is the marketing department. Your desk is by the window, number 14.
It has a view.
Yes, we like to give new team members good light. This is the waiting room. We use it for team talks.
Is it booked every day?
Not every day. You can book it online. Just check the calendar.
How do I do that?
I'll show you later. Don't worry. This way. Here's the kitchen. Coffee, tea, water, fridge, microwave. Please clean up after yourself.
Of course. Is the coffee free?
Yes. Just sign your name on the sheet if you use a cup. Here's the restroom. And this is the HR office. That's where you'll go for forms.
Where is the printer?
Next to the kitchen. Use code 1234. Got it. And this is the quiet room for calls or focus work.
Perfect. Is there a place to eat lunch?
Yes, the kitchen has a table, or you can go outside. Any questions?
No, this is very clear. Thank you.
Share this video with someone starting a new job. Help them feel confident from day one.
Hi. You must be Sarah.
Yes. Hi. I'm Sarah.
I'm Tom. I work on design.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Is everyone friendly here?
Yes, we have lunch together on Fridays.
That sounds fun. What did you do before this job?
I worked at a small agency. I managed social media.
Great. We can help each other.
I'd like that. If you need anything, just ask.
I will. Thanks, Tom.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I just started today. Welcome. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa. You're in marketing, right? Yes. I'm at desk 14. Great. Let me know if you need help with the system. Thank you. Comment. How do you say hello in English?
Hi, I'm nice to meet you. Let's practice together.
Lunchtime.
Yes, I brought a salad and some bread.
Nice. I have pasta today.
Did you make it?
Yes, I cook every Sunday.
That's smart.
Saves time during the week.
What do you like to eat?
I like vegetables, rice, and fish. Healthy. And you?
I love pizza, but I try to eat healthy too.
Do you work out?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Good for you.
This is nice, talking and eating.
Yes, we do this every day.
I'm glad I'm here. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please.
Thanks. I'm Sarah from marketing.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Tell us, what do you eat for lunch? Salad, sandwich, rice and veggies? Comment in English. It's 5 p.m. My first day is over. I made it. I said hello to my team. I found my desk. I learned where the kitchen is.
I even had lunch with a colleague. I was nervous at first, but I stayed calm. I listened, I asked questions, and I smiled. That's all you need on day 1. You don't have to know everything. You just have to be kind, curious, and present. I didn't say the perfect thing every time, but I tried, and that's what matters. Thank you for watching my first day. I hope this helps you when it's your turn. Remember, you belong here. You can do this. You are enough. Comment below, what English topic should we do next? At the doctor? At the supermarket? On the bus? You decide, and we'll make it.